see some hints at some breaks between the clouds, and for some of us, actually, that is taking place a little more widespread. But here in the FM area, we continue to see gray skies as we head through our afternoon and into the evening. Current temperatures, Hector, 34 degrees with a wind at 12 miles per hour from the north. There's a little bit of a wind chill out there. Definitely jacket weather, but remember that these 30s are above our average highs for this time of the year. We've been in that same range of temperatures all day long. 31 Grand Forks feels like 21 with a relative humidity of 76%. Here's a look across the region. We have 20s up in northwest Minnesota, 27 Roseau, 28 in Thief River Falls with Bemidji at 31. As we go to the south and southwest, we're seeing temperatures warm all the way up to 35 in Jamestown, 28 for Langdon, and down to the south, Aberdeen, 41 degrees. So there's some warmth out to the west, and as we mentioned, it's in the mid-40s in central North Dakota. But right now, snow this morning was over our area, is now moving through Duluth. Now, as we back up into our neck of the woods, look at this. Everywhere from Badette through War Road, Roseau, Salal, all the way out toward Halleck. 1 to 6.5 inches of snow overnight into the early hours today. Good sledding weather up in the northern valley, but the rest of us saw nothing more than hit-and-miss showers of rain, some sleet, and some snow, causing some slippery morning conditions. Now take a look at this. We have cloud cover through the valley, as we saw in the Skycam, starting to see some breaks out to the west. That's where temperatures were hitting well into the 40s today in western North Dakota. Up in Winnipeg, though, this area is really clearing out because it's cold, and it's causing some sinking in the atmosphere. And that's causing clearing. There's a clear notch trying to push into northwest Minnesota. We're also seeing some over the James River Valley and the western reaches of the Devil's Lake Basin. Now, clear skies and calm winds equal cold temperatures. Plus, we have a cold north wind. Here's what your hour-by-hour forecast shows. This evening, if you're out and about, we will see some breaks in the clouds here and there, but I think more clouds than clear skies, although some areas in the west may enjoy some moonshine as we head into the late evening hours. Here's a look at those temperatures dipping into the teens pretty quickly overnight. In northwest Minnesota, where there's fresh snow to the tune of 6 inches near the Roseau area, I think we're going to rise and shine with temperatures closer to 9 degrees. So single digits possible for a few spots that got the fresh snow. Otherwise, we'll have temperatures near 20 degrees. And again, more clouds than sunshine or clear skies. And I think we'll start out, and overnight, we may have some areas with some patchy fog, haze, and frost once again. So watch for those slippery spots as we expect the dry conditions to persist overnight. We'll rise from near 20 in Fargo to around 30 for the afternoon. Look at the wind direction. Friendly southerly winds usually warm us up, and that is what is going to happen in a subtle way in our western counties. Out to the east, we stay on the cool side. We'll have temperatures in that 25 to 30 degree range, 35 to possibly close to 40 in Ellendale. But look at this. After school, looks like we'll have some hit-and-miss flakes of snow developing in eastern North Dakota, spreading into western Minnesota later in the evening. No significant accumulations are likely from this, but some spots could see a ½ inch to 1 inch of snow, and again, an additional slippery layer on your roads. Fargo's hour-by-hour forecast, temperatures in the 20s as you rise and shine in the morning, 35 to 40, with winds that'll be southerly and shifting around to westerly in the afternoon. Southeast North Dakota, we're talking mid to upper 30s. A chance at 40 near Oaks or Ellendale. 33 for Detroit Lakes, 34 Fergus Falls. It'll be mostly cloudy across most of western Minnesota. Upper 20s to around the mid-30s in Norman County for you in Ada. Mayville, 35, 31 in Devil's Lake and in Langdon, with a few flakes of snow for your after-school hours. Take a look at this slick picture. Nick Roll capturing a tree that someday soon may garner some leaves. Sunset's beautiful, though. Your planning forecast for the remainder of our work week, taking you into Thursday. We start out cool at 19. 28 degrees is about average for this time of the year, but it'll be a breezy day, so we'll call it a wind-chilly Thursday. Friday is likely the warmest day of the 7-day period, where we'll have temperatures kissing 40 to maybe even 45 in our southern and western counties. Then we cool off pretty quickly, though, as a Canadian air mass makes its way southward. Single-digit readings in Fargo mean our northern counties near Highway 2 will have temperatures below zero, Andrea. So pretty chilly weather. We're not done with winter, but we notice our highs aren't too high and our lows aren't too low, so the roller coaster ride continues.
Unseasonably warm at times?
Yes, and we've been that way for much of the month, as a matter of fact, so that continues.
Thanks, Hutch.
You're welcome.
A program is helping parents